Alright, so I have unplugged the refrigerator from the wall. And all you need to do this, you can go to any place and get a little brush like this. And a screwdriver that fits. As you can see, it's quite dusty. And with this brush, you can really get in there and clean those coils. And get all that dirt off of those coils. And this, just by doing this, once a month, once a year, really depends on your house and how dusty your house is. This will prolong the life of your refrigerator. You can go in there, and it's a little flimsy, but you can go in there and really clean those coils. Come in here. And also, down here, that's also pretty dirty. And what it does is that extra weight will cause this motor to prematurely fail. So take a little bit of soap, a little bit of water, or cleaner, or rag, and wipe all these blades off, and that'll get the maximum, amount of air across this coil, therefore prolonging the life of your compressor. And also, when your hose pops off like this, you want to make sure you clean these little teats, because they'll get stopped up with trash. So pull them out and clean them. But also back here in the back, take that little brush wand and go and kind of bend it and get back in behind the coil, because that coil is all the way around. It wraps all the way around. Final tip, we're going to reassemble it, and that'll be it. Now the blades are nice and clean. The coil is nice and clean. And we are ready to put the cover back on and give this thing another 6 months of service. I'll get it in a minute. There we go. For reference, we are working on the Samsung right there. And we've had this refrigerator for almost 6 years. And it has given us great service, knock on wood, to this point. And you maintain it, it'll last a whole lot longer than if you didn't maintain it. That's just all I'm saying. So we're going to plug it back in, push it back against the wall, and that's it. Appreciate it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you would, subscribe, and I'd appreciate it. I want to do just woodworking, but also do handy tips and tricks around your house, in the garage, in the shop, whatever. Just subscribe, and you never know what you're going to find. So appreciate it. You'll have a great day, and thank you.